Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth analysis and reviews of the latest automotive products. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best front passenger control arm available in the market. Behold, the front lower control arms with ball joints replacement for 2001 to 2005 Honda Civic Sedan and Coupe, and 2001 to 2005 Acura L. Made by ILONPA, these control arms have been turning heads in the automotive community, and for good reason. Let's break down why these control arms stand out from the rest. First off, the kit includes everything you need. 1x front lower right control arm, 1x front lower left control arm, and 2x front lower ball joints. But what really sets these apart is their perfect fitment. Designed specifically for 2001 to 2005 Civic sedans and coupes, as well as all models of the 2001 to 2005 Acura L. You can trust that these control arms will seamlessly integrate into your vehicle's suspension system. And let's talk durability. Crafted from high-strength steel tubing with solid plate mounting brackets, these control arms are built to last. Whether you're tackling rough terrain or cruising through city streets, you can trust in the superior strength and durability of ILONPA's design. Worried about installation? Don't be. These control arms feature precision tolerances for easy installation on all parts. Plus, with steering alignment that ensures a perfect fit, you can have peace of mind knowing your vehicle's suspension system is in expert hands. So, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, upgrading to ILONPA's front lower control arms with ball joints is a decision you won't regret. Before we wrap up, remember to double-check your vehicle's compatibility using the Amazon Fitment Filter system. And if you're ready to elevate your ride, click the link in the description below to get your hands on the best front passenger control arm in the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert product reviews. Until next time, happy driving!